Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2 solution. In today's video we will discuss NCERT exercise question number 2.5. A solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molality and mole fraction of each component in the solution if the density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml? Then what shall be the molarity of the solution? So in this question we have to find out the molality, we have to find out the mole fraction as well as molarity. Now we proceed to answer this question. First, we understand what is the meaning of 10% weight by weight. It means 10 gram of glucose is present in 100 gram of solution. Here, glucose is 10 gram and amount of water is 90 gram, which is a solvent. So 10 gram is a weight of solute, 90 gram is a weight of solvent. Now we will calculate the molar mass of glucose, formula C6H12O6. 6 carbon, atomic mass of carbon is 12. 12 hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 6 oxygen atom, the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Okay. So here we observe when we calculate it, value comes to be 180 gram per mole. Then the number of moles of glucose will be equal to, number of moles is equal to weight upon molar mass. So there is 10 gram is weight and 180 gram is molar mass. So net value comes to be 0.056 mole. Okay. So these are the number of moles of glucose. Now we will calculate the molality of the solution. The molality of the solution is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. As you know, weight of water is 90 gram. When we convert this 90 gram into kg, 90 divided by 1000, the value comes to be 0.09 kg. Okay. Now, when we calculate the molality, the number of moles is 0.056 and mass of the solvent is 0.09 kg. When we solve it, the value comes to be 0.062 molal. This small m is indicate molal, that is molality. Okay. Now we will calculate the number of moles of water. As you know, the weight of water in the solution is 90 gram. Atomic mass of molar mass of water is 18 gram. So when we solve it, the value comes to be 5 mole. Now we will calculate the mole fraction of glucose. Mole fraction of glucose will be equal to the number of moles of glucose upon number of moles of glucose plus number of moles of water. So here is the equation. Here 0.056 is the number of moles of the glucose. 0.056 is the number of moles of the glucose and this 5 is the number of moles of water. When we solve it, the value comes to be 0.011. This is the mole fraction of glucose. We know the formula that the mole fraction of a component is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of another component B. As you know, the mole fraction of two component is always equal to the 1. So by knowing it, we will calculate the mole fraction of water. How? The mole fraction of water is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of glucose. Mole fraction of glucose, we already calculated it. So value comes to be 1 minus 0.011. When we subtract it, value comes to be 0.989. This is the mole fraction of water. Okay. Now we will calculate the molarity. We know in the question density is given, that is 1.2 gram per ml, and the volume of the solution we have to find out. Okay. There is 100 gram is the mass of the solution is given. Okay. So how we will calculate the volume of the 100 gram of solution? By dividing it with the density. As you know, density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume will become mass upon density. So mass is 100 gram, density is 1.2 gram. When we solve it, the value comes to be 83.33 ml, or 83.33 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. Okay. Now we will calculate the molarity. Molarity of the solution is equal to number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute divided by volume in liter. So this is the volume in liter already we have. The number of moles we already know, the of the glucose, that is 0.056 mole, and this is the volume 83.33 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. When we solve it, the value comes to be 0.67 molar. Okay. So I hope you are able to understand this question. For more such kind of question, please visit to our website, that is teachingpoint.org.in. You will find study material also. Thank you. Thanks a lot, students.